Ọba Kabiru Adewale Totobi, and other royal fathers that are present today. I appreciate all of our guests for being part of this program. God will shower His blessing on us as we look forward to the end of this year and the beginning of the new year. Today, we draw the curtain on our festival program for the year. Therefore, I'm using this special opportunity to appreciate all our members for their courage, consistency from the beginning of the year to this present time. In the last 12 months, our members have demonstrated strong will and determination in ensuring that we fulfill the dream of the organization. And the success we're celebrating today was achieved since gathering when we began the annual festival calendar in the Ogun Festival in Ile-Ife, Osun State. Let me tell all our guests present here today that the Ogun Festival is very important to us as an organization because it is the last festival we celebrate in the year. Eléyìí àṣekápá gbogbo festival tá a ṣe ní ọdún Ògún la máa fi ń parí ẹ̀. It is the last festival nínú calendar program wa. Nínú ọdún yìí nìkan àti ṣe 23 festival lọ́dún yìí nìkan Ògún la máa fi parí ẹ̀. Different festivals ní oríṣiríṣi ìlú. It is also one of the most celebrated festivals in Yoruba land. So as we look forward to the new year, I believe strongly that the new year will be the end of abundant blessing, favor, success for each and every one of us at the end of the day. We shall all go into the new year with a lot of joy, happiness, and determination. It is my hope that God will surely grant all our prayers. Let's pray again. Ogun, celebrating the God of iron, spirit of mental work. As we roll out the ground to rejoice and celebrate Ogun Festival today, it is also very important for us to explain why we celebrate Ogun as a date. Ogun is well known as God of iron. It's a super warrior and the most powerful spirit of mental work. In Yoruba land, Ogun is the deity of smith and craftsmen. It's the God of iron that is behind all the technological discovery and development in the world. Whatever tools we use from iron are instruments and objects of Ogun. In Yoruba history, Ogun was a very special deity from Ire, a town in the present Ekiti State. But the God of iron is well and most celebrated in Ondo State, particularly Ondo Township. Today, Yoruba across the southwest region usually celebrate Ogun Festival in their respective town and community. As we celebrate Ogun Festival in Ikorodu, I'm also using this great opportunity to appeal to the indigenous of Ikorodu to start celebrating Eluku Festival in a big way. Eluku is a prominent date that needs to be celebrated in Ikorodu town. Going by the history of this town, indigenous of Ikorodu migrated from Shagamu, and they also known as Omo Eluku Mede, Omo Eluku Mede. From my finding, it is also revealed that Eluku was the Minister of Defense in Shagamu in those days. And the life of Aare Iba of Yoruba land, Eluku was in charge of security and defense of the entire Shagamu Remo environment. Today, the people of Remo and other towns in the area still have Eluku shrine in their respective quarters. Even indigenous of Shagamu still offer sacrifice to Eluku deity to ensure effective security in the town and the military intervention bombing and killing of over 20 people in Tutubiri village at Igadi local government area of Kaduna State was a very sad and devastating. It was very unfortunate that such a great military error would lead to the death of several people that were celebrating Moloud Nabi in Tutubiri village. As well as I join other Nigerians to condemn the attack on innocent citizens of the village, I also believe that there is need for us to appeal to God in order to forestall future disaster. In my view, I think we need to pacify the God and the ancestors on the security situation of Nigeria. The grave military error could not occur if we appeal to God and His institutional realm. They will avoid the unfortunate incident, and such will not happen in the real world. In the same way, let me use this opportunity to appeal to all our traditional rulers in the Southwest to look beyond the formality of their position as the traditional ruler of their various communities. They should rise to the occasion and see how they can help their town and community seek peace and progress for their town and communities. Story of unexpected incident, flooding and the bad omen can easily be caught or avoided in the Yoruba land. And Nigeria as a whole, through spiritual sacrifice and intervention. For instance, in the olden days, our forefathers knew that to do in order to secure their communities against war and save themselves from unforeseen crises and calamities that could lead to massive deaths. Though we have, in the death age, with technology taking over all aspects of our life, I still believe there is need for us to seek spiritual method and intervention in solving those problems that are being the bane of our society. Finally, as we approach the end of the year, the economy is also rising harder. However, there is also need for us to grow spiritual and seek the face of the Most High, that our ancestors in solving this prolonged economic instability. Let me go again. However, there is also need for us to go spiritual and seek the face of the Most High God and that of our ancestors in solving the prolonged economic instability in our country. It is a fact that the country that fails to seek spiritual solution to the social and economic problems will continue to remain stagnant in the face of difficulties and hardship. Thank you for listening. God bless you all.